फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अचीव जेआरएफ बाय ज्योति गर्ग। अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे एक्साइटिंग कोर्सेज आप लोगों के लिए आने बाकी हैं। तो आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? आज हम जानने वाले हैं इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ कॉमर्स, कि कौन कौन से आपके इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं। तो काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला कि आप प्लीज इंग्लिश में भी बताइए, तो मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं आपसे आज इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में ही बात करूं। ठीक है, तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज हमारे कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं वो हम जान लेते हैं। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि इनके इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, प्लस विच बुक्स यू कैन रेफर एंड फ्रॉम वेयर ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस कम फ्रॉम। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस लेसन। इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, तो सबसे पहला जो हमारा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है वो है बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट। बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट, इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस। सो मेन portion comes from business environment and international business is Asians, GATT, WTO, Consumer Protection Act, IMF, World Bank. In accounting and auditing, basic questions asked like basics, accounting standards, you have to learn as it is. Accounting standards, appointment and qualification of auditors. Business economics, in this basic questions asked regarding demand, elasticity, markets, IC, utility, etc. Financial management, cost of capital, it's capital not capita, ठीक है, cost of capital and sources of finance, dividend, leverages, T-bills. Business statistics, I have already completed this topic, business statistics, in our YouTube channel. If you haven't seen here, please see to it. And that explained in Hindi, but if you read the text you will understand each and everything in business stats. Okay. Next is research method, business management and human resource management. Basic questions asked was direct. Okay, so you can just simply read these topics, so you will able to answer these questions. Now banking and financial institutions, main questions was asked from RBI, IDRA, types of banks, latest updates. On latest updates you can join my telegram channel, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, वहाँ पे मैं आपसे जो है करंट अफेयर शेयर करती रहती हूँ। Now, marketing management, mission and vision statement, types of marketing, promotional techniques, legal aspects of business, income tax and corporate tax planning. उसके अंदर आपकी basics, calculation of tax on slab rates, sections, deductions. Okay. Now, next topic is which we are going to complete is tricky questions. You can see here stars. I have mentioned somewhere 2 stars, somewhere 3 stars, somewhere 1 star. Okay, topics are same which we have discussed in a previous slide, but you can see a star refers to a difficulty, the tricky part. Okay, where I haven't put in any star, that means the questions asked from that topic will be simple and direct. Whereas I have put 1 star or 2 star or 3 star, it shows you the difficulty. Like in financial management, I have shown you a 1 star. Legal aspects of business and income tax and corporate tax planning, I have shown 1 star. That means questions were little bit tricky, not very much tricky. Like in business economics, I have put in a 3 star. That means the questions put from business economics will be very tricky, so you have to prepare that topic very thoroughly so that you can answer each and every question. So in this way you have to prepare. Okay, if you have any query you can straightforward write to a comment section so that I can answer you. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it, or if you like my video then like it. Okay, here I have talked about some books which you can refer according to the topic and the author you can refer to. Like topic business environment and international business, you can refer for IB Sulami Verma. Accounting and auditing, for this you can refer to ICA Foundation and Intermediate Material. Business economics, you can refer to your 12th NCRT books which you must have read. Microeconomics, you can refer to that. Financial management, Agarwal and Kothari, it's a author's name. Okay, the book's author name. Business management and resource management, okay, for business management you can refer to your 12th NCRT book, business studies. And for HRM you can refer to K Asthapa. Okay, for banking and financial institution, I am not able to refer you a single book, because in single book you are not able to complete the entire syllabus of UGC net. So you have to refer different kinds of book which are going to make you prepare thoroughly for your exam. Marketing management, you can refer to a Philip Kotler. Okay, so here our lesson is completed. If you like our video, then please subscribe, share, press the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel and share with your all friends, because more and more interesting lessons are on the way, so don't miss anyone. So see you soon in our next video. Thank you so much, friends.